course, but we all know what this is gonna be. You came and failed the test, you met the best, expected chess, but got monopoly. I came and bought you out, I knocked you out, I cropped you out.
Before we get into today's vlog, if you haven't noticed yet, we hit 300,000 subscribers. 300,000 subscribers. I'm in the truck, I'm driving, but hey, thank you guys so much. If you guys didn't know, we give a car wrap away every 100,000 new subscribers. And yes, we are gonna do that again. So before we do this giveaway, I wanna make sure everybody has the chance, the opportunity to win the free car wrap. And what I wanna do here is explain exactly what you need to do before you watch this vlog. So this is at the beginning of the vlog for a reason. You can pause it, you can go sign up for the giveaway. So even if you've signed up once before, you're gonna sign up again right below before you watch this video. Once you actually sign up for the giveaway, comment below and let us know that you did. I can't wait to meet one of you guys. Thank you guys for 300,000 subscribers. Let's get to 400K. Let's give another car wrap away. So let's get into the video. You're gonna watch this wrap a Mustang in chrome. Let's go, it's gonna be dope. Sign up for the giveaway though.
Alright guys, so Red has just dropped off his 2015 Ford Mustang. It's right here, the blue one right here with the red wheels. So today we are taking in his car. You guys are gonna get to meet Red. He's gonna talk about, he's gonna talk about himself a little bit. But same thing as always, we always check in the car, make sure that we're on the same page with the customer as far as what they want. We're gonna be doing the full body wrap. I'm not gonna tell you guys the color yet. We're gonna do the full body wrap. We're gonna be doing the ceramic coating, window tint, and a lot of black accents on this car. And that's gonna pretty much be it for the project. And we're gonna introduce you guys to the car owner. His name is Red.
Hey, my name is Red Carter. This is my 2015 Ford Mustang. I've had it for a few years now. I've done a few mods on it. I've updated the leather interiors, red leather. I've got red wheels on it, demon eyes, gills on the lights as well. Excited to see what Premium does to it. I've just kind of turned it over to them, whatever. So I totally trust them. So I'm really excited to see what they do.
When I said I was doing chrome, damn, that was like, I was like, well, I've done it before. It wasn't too bad. I did it on an M3, but it was so long ago that it wasn't as difficult as, like, let's say the Mustang was, because with the Mustang, you have a hood that's longer than 60 inches. So with doing a hood that's longer than 60 inches in chrome, when the roll only comes in 52 inches, that's when we have challenges, like how are we gonna make this look good without having like a nasty seam on the back? The hood stripes, what I did on those was that I did it a little bit different than how people would normally do it. Because normally when you do a hood stripe on top of the wrap, so you would do the wrap first and then you would do like the stripes on top. But what I ended up doing is I wrapped the whole hood in black first, and then I put the chrome on top, and then I put the middle chrome strip in the middle. It's so bad, dude. Like when you try to use knifeless tape and you try to pull that string, it just gets like really choppy and stuff. So with chrome, it's one of those materials like where you have to use your blade and you have to be really comfortable with using your blade, because if you don't, then you can cut the paint. And the tricky part about chrome is that it's not just one single layer. You have the chrome, and then on the bottom you have like a white paper, and then on the bottom you have the adhesive. So you have like three thick layers that you're trying to cut through, and you have to apply just the amount of right pressure, because if you don't, then you could really scratch the paint. So that's really tough with chrome, is that with the knifeless tape, they do make some products which are a little bit better. I haven't personally tried them, but I was just using my blade the whole time, and I was making sure I was really careful, not going to like cut through the paint or anything like that.
kids to play with cars. Have fun, kids. Have a blessed day.
You can qualify them too.
And we also we have always
Don't say that.
And Mike Barrett doesn't pass.
Oh, so pretty much I was driving to work this morning and I was just minding my own business. I had the window rolled down and I heard this loud bang. And I was like, what the hell? You know, is that my tire? I thought I popped my tire. And I looked back and I saw like my glass right behind me was just shattered. Like everything was just broken. And I was like, what the f? You know, like, I was like, you know, what's my reaction? Like, goddamn, you know, how did this happen to me? So I pull up to work and I step out and I saw that the little BB bullet hole thing was probably about 6 inches away from where I was sitting. So if I was driving a little bit slower, I would have gotten hit in the head. So that's why I'm a little shocked today, a little like shaky, but I'll just brush it off.
You swerved that tree.
What?
Shout out to Meal Prep.
Show.
Meal prep, baby.
But yeah, anyway,
Yeah.
so I was here at work. I was doing some editing. I got a call from Dave, right? He's like, bro, I just got shot at. And I was just like, no way. And I was just like, oh my God, like, what happened? He's like on the freeway and he started bursting out tears, bro. He's like, Anthony, help me. He's like all crying, and shit, bro. Yeah, that's funny.
Bro, it's not apparently here doing something cool. Apparently, like, it's normal. Like, it's not normal, but it's been going on a lot.
Yeah, it's a TikTok trend.
It's a trend. You guys gotta cut those stupid trends out. It's not funny. Good job, baby.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
You're gonna take the day off?
Yeah, because of that shit. I gotta call
Hey, you know what? I'm stressed out too. We should all take the day off.
Got this? I guess. Hello? How to not wrap in chrome.
How to waste $500.
How to waste, yeah, easily $500 in material. Prep, guys, prep is key. And if this wasn't here, this would have came out really good. Hey, I thought this thing has air release.
That's so
I
cheap.
thought it was
Here, let
like-
me get my needle out.
No more cutting short on Liversid's Street. Keep your gold, got many lives, but only one soul, and I intend to keep it under my switchblade feet. Come thunder, my heat's like an oven on a crack. You can cut me up in pieces.
It's really not stretching at all, bro, if I'm honest with you. Cool.
How are you? Warm?
It didn't stretch a single bit.
Okay, how about you, Heat?
No. How about you? I ain't gonna mess up $200 right now. We need another hand, David. You're ignoring me, bro. Well, I'm not stretching. That's not stretching a single bit, David. It stretched maybe a millimeter.
Okay, time out.
I need like just a little bit more over here. Just a little bit. Yes!
We made it. Woo! God damn. What a nightmare. No kid, no wait. Hey.
We came to shine here. We bring the vibes here.
you. I'm trying to explain to you because I want us to be on the same page.
Oh, he doesn't want you. He doesn't want you to.
Because
He's
during the
only saying 'cause
process,
he doesn't want you to.
I'll literally do you if you want me to do with you.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. We're gonna do it.
He literally unintentionally said that you're gonna f it up if you don't listen to him.
Shut up,
No,
Anthony.
I never said that.
Shut up.
You implied it.
You're definitely implying it though.
Anthony, shut up.
Basically, I need 2 people pulling on each side, alright?
And when I'm pulling, am I pulling hard or am I smooth?
Right now, you're just
Right
chill.
now, you're gonna
Right now,
chill because we're gonna we'll probably lay this side first. You guys really have to start pulling already. Pull. I'm kind of scared of eating this shit. It's that angle.
Yeah, yeah. Towards like my foot.
Start curving, guys. A little bit slower. Just move my hand.
Good job, guys.
Get the sweat on his forehead.
Oh,
That's where we're at.
damn!
My man's sweating.
I like the 3D puff. That's when you know that this is not easy because you got Hefe over here drinking water. You got us breaking a sweat. This is not like.
Yo, I didn't expect that. I
conformable.
helped you with a lot of different material. That's
Yeah.
like, I was like shaking.
That's why I had him pull because I know that this thing's been working out. And I was like, hey, let's get our strongest dude here to help us pull it.
Hey, don't take from you, bro. You're in the gym every day, Papa. I don't know what I was gonna say. I was gonna make sure baby and Papa.
But anyways.
There ain't nothing to it. Go ahead and bring Goliath on. Ain't no giant, I ain't gon' fire on. Catch a fade, I'm wrong, I'm gone. Y'all can catch the wave that I am on. I am icon, y'all are wide wrong. Think that I'm a reconcile bonds. Ain't nothing to it though. This is on me, ain't got much to do with who you know. Keeping it true to form 10 L's into a milli though. But they already knew that those farewell to your opinions. Know that he is something. This is all me, ain't got much to do with who you know. Yeah, keeping it true to form, but they already knew that, y'all. Here we go.
I'ma show you who I am unbreakable.
How did I feel when I finished the car? Dude, I was so relieved, man, to be honest. Like, it was one of those projects where I would just dread coming into work because I had to do it. And I was like, man, like, here I go, another day working on this chrome job. Like, I don't want to do this, you know, but it was one of those projects where you just have to just like knuckle down and just do it, because if you don't do it, it's never gonna get done. And that was one of the like biggest problems that I had with that project, was that it's just like, it's just too much, you know, especially with having to do a door jam, handle appointments, and then on top of that, do the chrome job, which was a lot more time consuming than say like a regular wrap. Then that's why I was just like super happy. Like when I was completely done, I was like, yo, I'm gonna go out with the boys. I'm gonna get a steak dinner. Like, I don't care. I'm gonna get drinks because I deserve it. So I was happy about that.
But these are expensive now because of COVID. The pricing on everything went up.
Man, forget a shoelace is expensive because of COVID.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
We're going on a walk.
Where are we going on a walk for?
Romantic walk, because I said so.
Come on, Andy, let's go for a walk. No, try to be confident.
I'm above.
No, I'm above.
I'm
Rock,
above.
paper, scissors. Right now. You need a hug? Are you sad?
No, I'm not sad. I'm just like more like,
Like, walk.
you know?
how to waste $500 in material.
In 2 minutes.
Can't break a phone. Where we were at?
Yeah.
I think get on the bottom because you're gonna pull the hardest. Get on the bottom.
You know, I've never
Be on the bottom.
I've never been on the bottom before.
And then Jack just kind of help me over here.
You go put my socks down. I'm gonna help you out.
I heard, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Damn, homie.
Okay.
When I saw this tag,
Bro, I'm gonna treat you to a steak dinner, bro.
yeah,
We're going to Nick's, bro. You wanna go?
we're going next on
Hey,
Friday.
you wanna go?
8 p.m. Fridays.
You wanna go? No?
How do you know we're going next on Friday?
We are going next on Friday.
Oh, what the
I know who that is.
Safety, right? Saved by the bell. Woo. Saved by the D, the Daniel.
The big D.
The little D, but we.
He's having a pool party.
You had a pool party?
Why you not tell Daddy?
Ah! Damn.
Damn, my bad.
I'm really turning. I am that old man and nobody wants to tell anybody. That's fucked up. Man, what are you guys doing today? Oh, we're just
Nothing.
nothing. Just a little weekend. Instagram, silent.